Welcome to our next class, students. Let's continue with the chapter number 3, that is fraction. Only 3.2 exercises in syllabus. So let's start with it. Question number 1, you have to add these fractions. So children, you all are familiar that how to add fractions. So by taking LCM. So first of all, you have to take LCM of 8 and 10, that is 40. Clear? So write here 40. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 5 is 25. Then after plus sign, 40 divided by 10 is 4. 4 3 is 12. Add it. This is a proper fraction. So this is your answer. Next, in the same way, you have to take LCM of 9 and 12. That is 36. Right here 36. 36 divided by 9 is 4. 4 7 is 28. Plus sign, 36 divided by 12 is 3 5 is 15. This is 43 by 36, improper fraction. Divide and write this answer in the mixed fraction, that is what? 1 7 upon 36. Next is fourth part. You have to take LCM of 6 and 4. That is what? 12. LCM will be 12. Now 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 5s are 10. 12 divided by 1 is 12. 12 3s are 36. Plus 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 3s are 9. Add up. You will get 55 by 12. And when you divide 55 by 12, you will get this answer. Clear? So write it as the mixed fraction 4 7 upon 12. In the same way, mixed fractions are given. So first of all, you have to change them to improper fraction. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 is 13 by 5. Same way, it will be 47 by 10. It is 34 by 15. LCM of 5, 10 and 15 is 30. Clear? Write the LCM here. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Then you multiply. 13 6 are 78. In the same way, you have to find out. Clear? Add up. It is 287 by 30 and your answer is 917 by 30. When you divide, it will be 917 by 30. That is your answer. Question number 2. You have to subtract, take LCM of 11 and 7, that is 77. 77 divided by 7 is 11. 11 6 are 66. 77 divided by 11 is 7 9s are 63. This is 3 by 77. Then again, LCM will be 9. 9 divided by 1 is 9. 8s are 72. Minus 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 5s are 5. Subtracted, it is 16 by 9. 67 by 9. When you divide it, then you can change this to the mixed fraction because this is what? Improper fraction. 7 4 by 9 is your answer. Third part, nothing in the denominator means 1 is there. Clear? So LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. 3 9s are 27. Minus 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 into 17 is 17. So 27 minus 17 is 10 by 3. Improper fraction. You can change it to the mixed fraction. Same way, fourth part, see, 10 4s are 40. 40 plus 3 is 43 by 10. Minus 15. 1s are 15 plus 2 is 17 by 15. Take LCM of 10 and 15, that is 30. 30 divided by 10 is 3. 3 multiply 43 is 129. 30 divided by 15 is 2. 2 7s are 17s are 34. So you will get this. Again, it is an improper fraction. You will get, when you divide it, you will get 3 5 by 30. And 5 and 30 can be cancelled. So it is 3 1 by 6. This is your answer. Third question, simplify in the same way only. Take LCM of 3, 6 and 9, that is 18. Clear? 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18. 18 divided by 3 is 6, 6 2s are 12. 18 divided by 6 is 3, 3 1s are 3. Minus 18 divided by 9 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So 12 plus 3 is 15, 15 minus 4 is 11 by 18. It's a improper fraction. Change these mixed fractions. It is 47 by 6. 8 4s are 32 plus 3 is 35 by 8. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 7 is 31 by 12. So LCM of 6 and 8 and 12 is 24. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 4 into 47, 188. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 35s are 105. 24 divided by 12 is 2. 2 into 31 is 62. So 188 plus 62 is 250 minus 105. When you will subtract it, it is 145 by 24. And divide 145 with 24, you will get this. So answer is 6 1 by 24. Question number 4, find the product of the fractions. And you know that product of the fractions can be obtained by converting them to the lowest form. See, you can cancel the terms of numerator with the terms of denominator. So see, 14 can be cancelled with the table of 7. So 7 2s are 14. Your answer is 4 2s are 8 upon 25. Same way second part, you can write it 7 2s are 14 plus 1 is 15 by 2, multiply 15 2s are 30, 30 plus 4 is 34 by 15. See, 34 and 2 can be cancelled with 17, 15 can be cancelled with each other, so your answer is 17. Next is question number 5. Again it is simplification. In the product form it is given. So cuttings can be made here. See, here 25 and 35 can be cancelled with the table of 5. So I wrote here 5 5s are 25 and 5 7s are 35. Then 15 and 5 can be cancelled. So I'll do the cuttings. Look here, we will do it again. See children. Look children, I am going to cancel the terms. 25 and 35 can be cancelled with the table of 5. 5 7s are 5 5s are 5 3s are 15. Now 3 and 36 can be cancelled. Clear? 12 and 12 can be cancelled. 7 and 28 can be cancelled. So your answer is 1 by 4. What is the answer? 1 by 4. So you can see here answer is 1 by 4. In the same way, next is 10 by 27 multiply 39 by 56 multiply 28 upon 65. Look children, how to solve this? See, what can be cancelled here? 39 and 65 can be cancelled with the table of 13. 13 3s are 13 5s are 65. 5 and 10 can be cancelled. 3 and 27, 3 9s are 27. Now what else can be cancelled? 28 2s are 56. So what your answer is? This 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Your answer is 1 by 9. Okay. So 1 by 9 is your answer. In the same way, third part, I have already made the cuttings over here. So you can try this question yourself. Next is question number 6. Again it is simplification. In the same way, you take LCM of 10 and 3 will be 30. 30 divided by 10 is 3. 3 3s are 9. 30 divided by 3 is 10. 10 10s are 100. So it is 109 by 30. Change it to mixed fraction. Then second part of sixth question. Clear? I already wrote change the mixed fraction. Write in this form. LCM of 10 and 7 is 70. 70 divided by 7 is 10. 10 into 39 390 plus 70 divided by 10 is 7. 7 into 13 is 91. Clear? Add up and then you divide it. Your answer is what? 6. 61 by 70. Question number 7. It is given in this form. Clear? So first of all, we will open the brackets. Of means multiply, and you can see 5 and 5 will get cancelled. You will get 2 by 7. Then after divide by, then subtraction of the fraction. How it will be done? By taking LCM. LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 7 7s are 49. Minus 35 divided by 7 is 5. 5 1s are 5. Plus, open this bracket also. 5 and 4 LCM is 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 4s are 16. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 1s are 5. Now, what you are left with? Here you are left with 2 by 7. Divide by 44 by 35 plus 21 by 20. Clear? So, how to divide the fractions? This division will change to multiply and you have to reciprocate the term. It will become 35 by 44 plus 21. Now see children, according to board mass, first we have to multiply, and you all are familiar how to multiply the fraction. 35 and 7 can be cancelled. Here will come 5. 2 22s are 44. So you are left with what? 5 by 22 plus 21 by 20. Now in the same way, you have to take LCM of 22 and 20 already taken over here. LCM is 220. 220 divided by 22 is 10. 10 5s are 50. Plus 220 divided by 20 is what? 11. 11 into 21 is 231. Add it. It is 281 by 220. When you divide it, you will get this as the mixed fraction. Next is second part. Clear? Change the mixed fraction. And you know how to subtract it. LCM will be 3. 3 2s are 6. Minus 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 1s are 1. Plus 2 by 7 divided by 7 1s are 7. Plus 1 is 8 by 7. So how to divide the fraction? Change division to multiplication and reciprocate it. Here what you will get? 6 minus 1 is 5 by 3. And here 16 over 5 only. So 16 over 5. How to divide? Change division into multiplication and reciprocate. And here you are left with 1 by 4 only. Now see what can be cancelled here. Nothing can be cancelled. So you are left with 16 3s are 48 upon 25 plus 1 by 4. Take LCM of 25 and 4, that is 100. Same procedure you have to follow. Your answer is 217 by 100. So children, now fourth part of the same question. See, I have taken LCM here in the same way. Then 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7 by 4 plus 4 by 3. Divide by, take LCM of 5, 15 and 5, that is 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3, 3 ones are 3. Plus 15 divided by 15 is 1, 1 fours are 4. Minus 15 divided by 5 is 3, 3 twos are 6. So here you are left with 10 minus 4 is 6 by 20. After solving this, LCM will be 12, clear? Here you will get 21 by 16. Divide by 3 plus 4, 7, 7 minus 6 is 1 by 15. You will get 6 by 20, multiply, add it, it is 37 by 12. Multiply, you have to reciprocate because this was the division and you change it to multiplication. Okay, now 20 and 15 can be cancelled with the same table. 5 it will be, I cancelled it with, or cuttings you can made in your own way also, clear? Make the cuttings here and you will get the answer 111 by 8, clear? And then you can change it to the mixed fraction. In the same way, fifth part is also done, clear? Have a look. In the same way only. Here LCM is taken, of means multiply, then cut the terms which can be cancelled. Here you are left with this, change division to multiply and reciprocate it. 3 and 3 will get cancelled, plus 1 by 2. You are left with 23 by 14 plus 1 by 2. Then you take LCM, 14 and 2, LCM is 14. It is 23 plus 7 upon 14. Answer is 30 by 14. It is 15 by 7. If you cut them with the table of 2, your answer is 21 by 7. Wording problem now. Question number 8. What should be added to this? What we should add to this so as to get this term? So what should be added to this term? Let x be added to get this. Now change this mixed fraction. It is 79 by 15 plus x is equal to 63 by 5. You need to find x. Transpose this term over here. It will be minus 79 by 15. Take LCM. 5 and 15 LCM is 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 into 63, 189 minus 79. So subtract it. You will get 110 by 15. Answer is 71 by 3. Now question number 9. By what number this should be multiplied? Multiply it with x so as to get this. Change the mixed fraction. It is 56 by 9 into x is equal to 40 by 9. So x is equal to 40 by 9 divided by 56 by 9. So change division to multiply and reciprocate it. Cuttings you can make, clear? Your answer is 5 by 7. Now question number 10th. Question number 10th is the product of two fractions. Which fractions we don't know? First fraction into second fraction, their product is given. Then after first fraction is given 6 2 by 3 and you are asked to find second fraction. So children, all of you know, if you transpose the number this side, plus changes to minus, minus changes to plus, and multiplication will change to division. So when you will transpose this number, that is 23 by 3 that side, it will divide. Clear? And how to divide the fractions? Change division to multiplication, reciprocate it, you will get 31 by 8. It is 3, 7 by 8 is the answer. Have a look. First into second fraction, this was given. Now you transpose it this side, both are multiplying. When you transpose, it will divide. And how to divide the fraction? Change division to multiplication and reciprocate the term and make the cuttings. That will be your answer. Question number 11. A piece of wire of length, total length of the wire is this. And one piece of this length is cut from the question is a piece of wire. If it is cut into two pieces in such a way that length of one piece is 5 1 by 4. This is the length of one piece. Clear? You have to find length of second piece. So can we write it in this way? First piece plus second piece is equal to the whole length of the wire. First length of first piece is given. So substitute the value. Plus second piece is equal to 12 3 by 4. As I told you, when you transpose the term, plus changes to minus, minus changes to plus, multiplication to division and division to multiply. Now as they both are adding, when you transpose, it will subtract. So transpose 21 by 4 this side, it will subtract. Now all of you know how to do subtraction by taking LCM. So your answer is 7 1 by 2. Next is Sara plant 4 saplings, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? The distance between two adjacent, what is the distance? 3 by 4 in all. Clear? 2 adjacent. Find the distance between first and the last sapling. So very simple. What is the distance? 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Clear? So the distance between adjacent sapling means these two is 3 by 4. So what is the distance between first and last? Add. The answer is what? By taking LCM you can find the answer, that is 9 by 4. Change it to the mixed fraction. Next 13th, Sharon can walk 8 1 by 3 kilometers in 1 hour. So what is the distance covered in 1 hour? 8 1 by 3, that is 25 by 3 kilometers. And you have to find distance covered in 2 by 5 hours. One rate of one thing you know, and you have to find out of many. In that case we multiply, and you can see here 5 and 25 can be cancelled, then 3 and 12 can be cancelled. Your answer is 5 4s are 20 kilometers. 14th is the cost of 6 1 by 4 kgs apple is given 400 rupees. You have to find cost of 1 kg. You all are familiar with these kind of questions. You know the rate of many things and you have to find out of 1. In that case you will divide. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 is 25 by 4. How to divide the fraction? Change division to multiplication. It is 4 by 25. You have to reciprocate. These two can be cancelled. So your answer is rupees 64. 15th is a sugar bag contained 30 kg. Out of 2 by 5th part of 30 kg we have consumed. So let's find out what is the quantity of sugar consumed. That is 2 by 5 of 30. 5 and 30 can be cancelled. 6 2s are 12 kg we consumed. And what is the quantity of sugar left? That is 18 kg. 30 minus 12, that is 18 kg. With this children, this chapter is finished. Thank you.